Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to open SQL database in Visual Studio Code. It's pretty simple, let's get started. First of all, we need to open extensions and find SQLite extension. Select it and install. After that, open the command palette, type in SQLite and select Open Database. Choose database from file. I select any database from GitHub, download it, save, return to SQLite, select this file and open it. After that, open Explorer and we see our new file. After that, we have SQLite Explorer. At the bottom of the page, expand it, and we have our SQL database. Here we can create new query. If you have problems with this menu, you can create new query from command palette. Write SQL new query and you have the same file. You can see all database, you can select table and show this table. Here you can show SQL query, you can copy it and paste it here. After that you can select language mode to SQLite and select the database here. Also you can export this table as CSV, HTML or JSON file. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, have a nice day, see you next time.